Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to log into Hobby Lobby app. So in order to log into your Hobby Lobby app, you want to first of all install. So simply want to make sure to go to your app store and type in Hobby Lobby on your browser, on the address bar, and you will have these app installed, or you'll be able to see this app. So simply tap onto the install button, and after you're done installing the app, you will then be directed to this page when you tap on the open button. Now here, all you need to do is just tap the more button, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and select email actually. So you want to go ahead and select or sign up with email. So you could just go ahead and enter in your email address associated with your Hobby Lobby account, and you want to enter in your password associated with your account and simply confirm. And this way you will be able to log into your Hobby Lobby app. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.